Can you introduce your nationality in French? Do you know the difference between masculine and feminine nationalities? Can you apply the correct rules? Let's learn the most common nationalities in French. In this video, you will learn French nationalities by identifying common grammar patterns, such as masculine and feminine forms, and applying the correct rules in speaking and writing. In French, most nationalities follow a simple rule to form the feminine. You start with the masculine form, and in most cases, you just add an E at the end. So, masculine plus E gives you the feminine. For example,
Français, française. Japonais, japonaise. Anglais, anglaise. Portugais, portugaise. Mexicain, mexicaine. Marocain, marocaine. Espagnol, espagnol. Allemand, allemande.
if the masculine nationality already ends with E, then nothing changes for the feminine. That means the masculine and feminine forms are exactly the same. For example,
Belge, belge. Suisse, suisse. Russe, russe.
now let's look at another rule. Sometimes, to make a word feminine in French, we double the last consonant before adding E. When a masculine nationality ends in IEN, it becomes IENNE in the feminine. Here the letter N is doubled, and then we add E. This helps keep the correct pronunciation in French. For example,
Canadien, canadienne. Italien, italienne. Brésilien, brésilienne. Australien, australienne. Indien, indienne. Égyptien, égyptienne. Algérien, algérienne.
some nationalities are irregular, which means they don't follow the usual rules and the standard patterns. Here, we add QUE to form the feminine. For example,
Grec, grec. Turc, turc. Quelle est votre nationalité? Répondez en commentaire.